Listen, whether you like it or not, AI is replacing people every single day. But the truth is, it doesn't have to be you. Today, I'm going to show you the real reason why people are losing their jobs and the exact steps you can take to make yourself AI proof by 2026. Because if you think AI is slowing down, it's not. Companies are not firing people because they hate humans. They are firing people because humans refuse to evolve. But you are here, and that means you are ready to adapt, right? Let me tell you the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. AI is not replacing jobs. It is replacing tasks. And the people who only know how to do those tasks, they are the one being replaced actually. Customer service, admin work, repetitive tasks, scheduling, basic content creation, simple marketing jobs. Those jobs are disappearing. Not because humans are not valuable, but because AI can now do those tasks faster, cheaper, and 24/7. But here's the part everyone misses. AI does not replace people who know how to use it. If you want to stay relevant to this new world, you need one thing: AI augmented skills. Not coding, not becoming an engineer, not becoming a data scientist. I'm talking about practical skills like using AI to automate your daily tasks, building small workflows, running AI tools inside your business, knowing how to prompt like a pro, using AI to save companies time and money, using AI to boost your own creativity and output. This is what companies pay for right now. So how to stop AI from taking your job? Step 1. Learn one AI tool deeply. Stop trying to learn everything. Pick one tool: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or whatever, and master it. Step 2. Automate boring tasks. Anything repetitive, gone. That's how you prove your value instantly. Step 3. Document your results. Companies don't hire people who say, "I'm good with AI." That's so easy to do, right? They hire people who say, "I cut response time by 78%. I saved 12 hours a week. I automated our entire customer follow-up system." Step 4. Build your own AI portfolio. That's what I've been doing all this year, I would say. No, since last year, that's what I've been doing. Building my AI portfolio to better sell my services, to build trust and be confident myself in offering those services, yes, to be confident in my skills. All right, so step 4, you have to build your portfolio. This is your new resume. You have to showcase everything you have automated or improved. Even small projects count. Now, step 5, you have to learn how AI is changing your industry. If you stay in the dark, you fall behind. If you learn early, you lead. Period. Here's the good news. AI is not coming for the people who evolve. It's coming for the people who stay comfortable. You are not one of those people, right? You are learning, you are adapting, you are taking control of your future. If you want more videos that show you how to use AI to secure your income, get better opportunities, and build real skills, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and tell me, do you think AI is going to replace your job? Why or why not? I reply to every single one. AI is not the enemy. Being unprepared is. You've got this. And I'm going to guide you every single step of the way.